Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Elegancia Wardrobe. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine. And thank you watching my channel. So friends, today in this video I am sharing one of the most beautiful, stylish and gorgeous collection of popular graceful stiletto high heel sandals, which are not at this time. They are very classy and elegant that you love to see each and every high heel sandals or designs. So viewers, in my channel you can see very type of high heel sandals like office wear, party wear and casual wear. All of these sandals are very comfortable, mostly worn by girls and women. So please keep in touch with this amazing video for more design and more ideas. When you watch this video till the end, you will know about beautiful designs one by one, and I am sure you will find your choice in this amazing collection. So all these designs and style are introduced for yourself. Make it the part of your wardrobe. You will definitely like it and your outfit will perfectly match with these designs of outfits. So guys, if you like all this collection, so please thumbs up for my video and also share my video with your friends, relatives and give your feedback in the comment section. How was the collection and video? So goodbye dear friends, see you soon again with another amazing fashion